How to see blocked accounts on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the profile Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're here, you want to scroll down to the account actions section, and from there click on blocked. You will land on this page right here, from which you will be able to see your blocked list and find and check all of the people that you have blocked on Snapchat. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see your blocked list on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.